Let's play. I like to exercise. Watch me. Move your head like this. Back and forth, back and forth. Now, let's move just one arm. Now, let's move the other arm. Now, let's move both arms up and down like this. Up and down, up and down. Now, let's move like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Whoa, that was great. Exercise is good for you. Boy, oh boy, that's super super. You're my special friend. Squeeze my little toe to sing a song. Let's sing. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. 2 eyes, 2 ears, a mouth and a nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Boy, oh boy, that's super duper. I like playing with you. Come on. Together. Oh, there you are.